Hi everyone, welcome to my class in Engineering Mathematics 2 or DBM 20023. You are going to learn with me, Madam Nur Zahira, for whole this semester. Okay, first of all, I will introduce you with our first chapter is about indices and logarithm. Okay. In this chapter, you are going to learn about explain laws of indices. Okay. Know how to define index. Okay. 1.12 simplify index expressions by using laws of indices. 1.2 apply laws of logarithms. 1.2.1 define logarithm. 1.2.2 simplify logarithm expressions by using laws of logarithms. And 1.2.3 solve equations involving indices and logarithm expressions. Okay. We will go for the first topics is about explain laws of indices. Okay. For now, you should be able, after this class, you should be able to define what is index. Actually, indexes are also called powers or exponents. I know some of you have learned, or all of you have learned about exponential when you are in your high school. Okay. Actually, it is indicate the number of times the base is used as a factor. Let's take a look at this picture. Okay, for instance, 5 power of 3 is actually equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. We multiply 5 for 3 times. Okay, the base is 5. And the 3 is the power. Okay, this is what we call exponents or index. Okay, because it indicates number of time. We multiply 5 for 3 times, and the base is number 5. This 5 is the base, and we repeat for the 3 times for the exponent. Okay. Simplify index expressions by using laws of indices. Multiplying powers with the same base. Okay, for first example, simplify the following expressions. For A power of 3 multiplied by A power of 2. What does it mean? How to solve this kind of question? Okay. When we look at this question, we know the base is A is multiplied for 3 times. And the second A power of 2 was multiplied for 2 times. So, we also can write like this. A multiplied by A multiplied by A. Because for the first A, we multiply it for 3 times. And for the second one, is multiplied for 2 times. Okay. So when we multiply, we we will get A multiplied by power of 5. Okay, we will multiply this A for 5 times. And let's take a look at example for B. 2 power of 3 multiplied by 2 power of 2 multiplied by 2 power of 1. Okay, we also can write like this. 2 will multiply by 2 for 3 times. And then for the second base for 2, we multiply by 2 for 2 times. And the third 2, we multiply by 2 for 1 only, for 1 time. And the total the result we will get is 2 power of 6. For this solution, we must make sure that the base is the same base, the same number. Same like for this question for A the base, and the base must the same variable. Okay, so if the base is the same number of variable, so that we can solve the problem. If the base is not same, so we can't solve the problem. Okay, next, power of a power property. Add the powers when you are multiplying indices with the same base. See, just I said before, we can only can add the power when the base is same. Okay, when a term does not contain an exponent, it is assumed to be 1. For example, 3 is equal to 3 power of 1, and A is equal to A power of 1. Okay, let's take a look at next example. Simplify the following expressions. For A, 5 power of 2 is power of 3. The base is 5. When we know the base is same, so we just can add, when we know the base is same, so we can write like this. 5 power of 2, we know the bracket means is multiplication process. So we can multiply the power of 2 for base 5 with 3. Okay, and we will get the answer is 5 is power of 6, because 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, next example, x power of 4 is multiply or power of minus 3. Okay, so we can write x power of 4 is multiply with minus 3. So we will get x power of minus 12. Okay, let's take a look at question number C. A plus 1 power of 7 multiply or power of 5. So, we can write our question again like this. A plus 1 is power of 7 multiplied by 5. And 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. So, the basis remain, which A plus 1 is power of 35. Okay.